We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the brother MFC-7440n. First thing is, or a lot of times, it starts with your tray. So you want to make sure that the adjustment tabs here are in the correct place for the size of paper you're using, and then also the adjustments here if you're doing any envelopes, any labels, anything like that. Also, another thing, you don't want to just put the paper, your new paper, in there on top of your old paper. If you do, a lot of times this isn't aligned, so what the printer will do is it tries to pick up the paper underneath because that's the first paper that's there, and then in return it'll jam the printer up because it's not pulling the paper the way it's supposed to. So what I like to do, especially with us living in Oklahoma, I take my old paper with my new paper, combine it together, and then fan it out. Sometimes the condensation in the air can make the pages stick together, and then make sure they're aligned before you put them back into the tray. And then if you do those when you're putting in your paper and all that, then it will decrease your chances of getting a paper jam. If you guys are in need,
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.